Hi, my name's Ken Stillman. Today we're going to work on a green lantern logo, and we're going to do it in a square pack. And I'm going to teach you from beginning to end how to build a square pack wall after designing it in Deco Builder. First thing I'm going to do is hit the larger designs and go to page 14. 14 at the bottom. The third one down gives you a square pack wall which can be broken apart. Now we're going to color all of these balloons at once because it's a lot easier. So I'm going to open up this color all. Now if you're in the middle of creating something and you've already got stuff on this wall, you won't want to use this. But in the very beginning, if it's the first thing you do, go ahead and hit continue and go to the black balloon, click on it, and it'll change all the colors black. Then quickly close this palette as soon as it allows me to. I will close it. And then go to your 11-inch round balloons. I'm going to pick a lime green. And I'm going to find the middle by breaking this apart. I'm going to start here with these balloons, okay? Just like that. Now as I color this, I'm just going to color this across the way it would look if I were creating a lantern. So there we go. Let's see. And across. All right, now we're not going to use the total height of this wall because it's very we'll be making these will be, the large balloons will be 8 inches and the small balloons will be a 9-inch. I'm going to go ahead and click these out. Up. Click one too many there. Okay, so now I want to make sure that this comes down. Let's see, I got the right here. And coming down around this. And we're going to try to reproduce what we've done up above. So there we go. Okay, now I can finish in the rest of it. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. All right. So this is the logo. It's put together. I'm going to keep these 2 outer columns, and even though they're all black, you could get away with making it a 5 column. We're going to go ahead and make it 7. Okay, so now that you've got this open, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go to the control panel here. It's the green one. Go ahead and open it. I'm going to hit the delete button, and we're going to start. Once this disappears, it's counting through all of the balloons. We're going to go down and delete all of these so that we can just see. Now the back ones sometimes aren't ready to be deleted, so just go ahead and delete all you can and wait for the timing because it's going through thousands, tens of thousands of balloons in order to take these off. Okay, I'll get rid of that. I'm also going to get rid of all of these balloons on the bottom here because we really don't need them. When we get finished, each column will be approximately 68 balloons. So by eliminating these on the bottom, we're doing two things. One, we are making it so that it's a shorter wall, and because this wall would probably be about 10 feet without it, but these are going to be this is going to be an 8-foot wall. I accidentally colored the background. We'll fix that when we're done. But I'm going to go ahead and take all these balloons off on the outside. Okay, so now we've got it broken apart. I'm going to go back up to the color palette. I'm going to pick white and click make the background white. Okay, so now we'll do a command shift. If you own a PC, you'll have to use your snipping tool. With a Mac, if you do a command shift 4, you can go ahead and go across here, and this will take a picture and put it on your desktop. I'm going to put it back together so we can see what it looks like. Again, a command shift 4, and this is what the finished product will look like. Okay, now we're going to, if you're on the BalloonClick site, we're going to build this step by step and column by column. This will be column 1, column 2, column 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's get started.